Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Baby Doge Coin. Alright, let's get started. First of all, you're going to have to open up your browser. My browser of choice today is going to be the Google Chrome application. Yours could be Safari, so you make use of that. Once you've opened up your app, we're going to be heading straight to coinmarketcap.com. You're going to be inputting CoinMarketCap on your search bar. Once that's done, we're going to be searching, or rather using the magnifying glass icon to search for the Baby Doge Coin. Alright, I've seen the Baby Doge Coin. You click on Baby Doge. Alright guys, and here's the Baby Doge. And one thing we need to notice, Baby Doge is built on the smart chain network only. It's not responsive on Ethereum networks or other networks. So we're just going to be copying its wallet address like so. Once that's done, we're going to be heading straight to Trust Wallet. And alright guys, while you're trying to log in to Trust Wallet, you're always going to be met with a prompt to input your passcode. And once that's done, you're given access like so to the Trust Wallet application. And once you're in the application, we're going to be using the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen. And we're going to be pasting the contact address we just copied. And here we go. Baby Doge. Alright. Here is the Baby Doge menu on Trust Wallet, and unfortunately there's no option to stake the Baby Doge on Trust Wallet. So we're going to be simply buying through the Trust Wallet application. Now, like I always say, Trust Wallet gives different options on purchasing a coin. Most times you could swap your current coin to get the Baby Doge. Like for example, you swap your BNB for some Baby Doge and things like that. That's how it's actually done. Or you could simply use most of its exchange platforms like Simplex and the rest of that. Okay, I think Simplex is the only one that's available. You click on next. You're going to be filling out some form and some things like that in order to buy your Dogecoin at 100 USD worth of Dogecoin through Simplex. Or we could head to the DApp section of the Trust Wallet menu. It's at the bottom right corner of the screen, and head over to Pancake Swap, one of the most popular trading platforms. It's loading up. You have to make sure we're on the Smart Chain network by simply tapping the Smart Chain icon, and that's all. We're going to be scrolling down and looking for the cake coin. We're going to be tapping on the cake coin and pasting in the wallet address we just copied. Once that's done, we import Baby Doge, and voila guys, this is how it's quickly done. Like I said, you could either buy on Trust Wallet or swap on Trust Wallet. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in today. And if you have any questions considering how to buy the Baby Doge Coin, comment down below and have a good one.